Hi, it's Diana, and today we're making these really easy meatballs and gravy. First thing you do is put frozen meatballs into a large pan that has a lid. Then get some brown gravy mix and onion soup mix and dump those both into a bowl. Add water and then stir them until the powder is dissolved. Pour the mixture right on top of the meatballs, then make sure they're submerged in the liquid. And go ahead and cook them according to the package directions. Mine say to cook them with the lid on medium heat for about 25 to 30 minutes, making sure that you stir them frequently while they're cooking. Here's what they look like when the time is up. The gravy's still pretty thin, which is okay because I'm going to actually serve these over mashed potatoes, so I want to have some gravy to be able to go over the top. The gravy is actually going to thicken up a little bit more after I let it sit and cool for a little while. Here it is after I've let the meatballs sit for a while. The gravy had a chance to thicken up a little bit more, so I'm just going to serve these right over my mashed potatoes. The gravy has a really nice flavor. It's not like your grandma made it, but it's still a really good flavor. All I did for the sides were some corn. I just heated up a can of corn, and then I sauteed some spinach. It's super easy, great for a weeknight when you need to finish dinner really quick. If you're interested in making this recipe, the ingredients are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check us out at www.likingourlove.com.